My wonderful people, welcome back to Recipe and Gist from Olaj Kitchen. Today I'm preparing a truly authentic indigenous meal. Yam with garden egg sauce. Get ready because this plate is rich, flavorful and absolutely irresistible. Now let's go. So I've already peeled and washed my yam as well as my garden eggs. I put everything in the pot to boil. Make sure the garden egg is on the top. So I cover it to cook until it's soft. While that is boiling, I prepare my ingredients. Smoked fish, red pepper, tomato, onions, garlic and ginger. So I put everything in the blender to blend. Blend it not too smooth, just the right texture for the sauce. Next, I pour the blended mixture into a pot. Then add my washed momo, smoked fish. I already removed the bones. So I season it with curry, thyme, stock cube, and just little salt to taste. So I stir it together, let it all steam gently over low heat. For my people, wait as I dey enjoy this cooking. It remind me of one gist wey nearly scatter ground yesterday. I'm coming back with the gist. Let me finish the cooking first. Hey, aproko no go kpai me. Now the garden eggs are soft. So I remove it from the yam. I peel up the skins, the shafts. It's a waste product, so we are going to throw it. So after peeling, I mash it lightly with the fork and set them aside. Here is my fried meat. So I cut the fried meat into small pieces, bite size, and slice some onions. Then I bleach the palm oil. Make sure the palm oil is well bleached. I add the sliced onions, pour in the pepper mix. I fry it until the oil begin to come out. Next, I added the mashed garden eggs, also the fried meat, and stir everything to make sure it blend very well and let it simmer together on low heat. There we have it, yam and garden egg sauce, a true indigenous delicacy made with love from Olaj Kitchen. Rich, smoky and absolutely delicious. My people, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. So my people, back to the gist as I don't promise you now. Say gist full ground. So there is this couple, the husband na Uber driver. The wife dey run online store. So anytime the man go hustle, madam dey sneak out go meet her side boo. You say side boo or side husband, whatever. You know, Yoruba Ade says every day for the thief and one day for the owner. Pé ọjọ́ gbogbo ni tolè, ọjọ́ kan ni tolóhun. Na so that yesterday come be the owner's day o. Madam go do as usual. Waka waka. After the whole thing done day, after they do everything finish, so the man now order ride for her to carry her go. So my people, guess who come pick am? Her husband. Her husband. So as the man packed, you know, they are still doing their normal thing, hug for outside. The man even say, babe, I cannot wait to have you again. You are so sweet. You are this and that, blah, blah, blah. They even kissed. They chopped the lips, yo. And the husband in the car was looking at them. He already saw his wife, but he just locked up. He was calming down. He didn't say anything. So immediately when the woman opted in, she realized that the Uber driver was her husband. Oh my goodness. The husband said she was just shaking. Like she was shaking for the back seat. The husband no talk anything. He just dropped her in front of their house and turned back gently to Ozu like normal day, as if nothing happened. Now my question is, my people, I want to ask you now, If you are the husband or you are the wife, what will you do in this situation? What will be your action? What will you do? If you are the husband or the wife, what will you do? Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye.